We saw how to enter income and expense in the earlier video. In this video, we will look at how money can come into the business without any sale or purchase of goods or services. For example, a customer can give you an advance or somebody may be returning the money they owe you. Imagine Anjali, who owed you Rs 1500, is now returning Rs 1000 to you. How will you put this into the MeraBills account? Click on the plus button at the bottom right of the screen beside the expense button. A pop-up screen will appear. Click on Payment In, which has the icon of a wallet with a green arrow inside the wallet. You will reach the Add Payment In page. Click on Select a Party. Choose Anjali's name. Immediately below the name, you will see in green the amount of money that she owes you. Enter the money she is now returning. In this case, Rs 1000. Choose whether this is a cash payment or a UPI payment. Click on Save to enter this transaction.